Donations are not always cash. An NGO also receives and gives out physical goods, like food and supplies. Those goods are kept in a store or warehouse. The donation module has warehouses and inventory built in, so a charity does not need any separate module. From the donations menu, we open warehouses. We create the store where donated goods will be held, filling in every field. The name of the store, its type, a general store here, its location, and a note. The store is created. Now, who is in charge of it? We can assign the officers responsible. We open the store and go to its Assignments tab. We add a user and give them a role. Grace, our program officer, will manage this store. Grace is now the manager of the main relief store, and appears in its list of responsible officers. You can assign as many people to a store as you need.